I want to quickly show you how to use the Claude skill that I've built for creating product one-pagers. Product one-pagers are mostly used to quickly share an idea with someone in a very structured way so you can get feedback, iterate on the idea before you take it any further, for example, in a full product requirements document or into a technical design document. That is especially helpful if you use this as a foundation for vibe coding. So how does it work? You can find the skill in my GitHub repository for the AI-enabled product builder. There's a folder here for the product one-pager, and there's a skillmd file in there. You just download that, put it in a zip archive, and then in Claude, in the settings, capabilities, you will upload the skill, and it will show up here, as you can see. So how does it work? In Claude, you will create your prompt, just share your thoughts of what you want to create. I've already dictated this earlier, so it's a bit faster. Let's see if it works. Claude should recognize that I wanted to use the product one-pager skill, as I said here. So yeah, it's picking this up. It's now reading the skill. And it should ask me some questions, workshop style, in order to create the product one-pager together with me. Okay, it's now in the role of creating a product one-pager. I already have a solid understanding. Before I cover the why one target, would you like to include any of these optional sections? So it basically has a template in its skill for what kind of sections there are in a product one-pager. It already has why, what, and target user. So let's see. Success criteria. Yeah, let's include this. For the success criteria, I wanted to be able to generate a deep research report as a human readable, nicely formatted web page. And with a flick of a toggle, I can easily get a markdown version of that report that I can download. So that's the success criteria. The user value is that I can generate these research reports with apparently the most capable AI web search from Parallel AI, and then use that research in other tasks wherever I need this. All the other chapters that you are suggesting here for the one-pager, we can leave them out. They don't really matter for this demonstration app. So let's see. It should now have enough context to put the one-pager together. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, it's generating the product one-pager. So with that, we get the Parallel AI Deep Research demo app, why we are building this, what we are building, the target user and persona, some success criteria based on what I gave it, and the user value. So yeah, that's really it. This is how you can go quickly from an idea that you have in your head into a very structured product one-pager that you can easily share with people to get feedback and iterate on that idea. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.